Hi, Kevin. Mark Fraser here with Edwards RV. So this is the 260 RLS I mentioned on the phone. Just going to do a walk around, kind of give you an idea what the floor plan's all about. So first off, it is a titanium series. It has the more ride shock system, the Goodyear tires, 16-inch. We'll just kind of walk around here. It's got the awning style windows, thermal pane. We have our solar hookup here if you wanted to attach a portable solar panel to keep your batteries fresh. Up front we have the Toy-Lok, the two 30-pound propane bottles, the power tongue jack. Just come around the side. It does have that rock guard front there, so that helps with the rock chips. Just coming across here. We'll talk about this more inside, but this is that auto leveling system, so you can set it up in about 3 minutes. This is the slide for the wardrobe in the bedroom, and again, we'll look at the inside when we go in. We have our dumping station here. They've added these little doors a couple of years ago, so very convenient. Just kind of tidies that area up. A little light here for if you're working at night. And the sandy flush is there as well. This is your main slide. Again, walls are the same thickness as the floor, so you get a good R value there. Just coming around to the back, we have our LED lights on the rear. We have our hookups here for city water, cable, and our power hookup, and our outside shower. Right here, we have that good solid sturdy ladder. Just coming back around the front again, I just want to point out the awning has that aluminum shield, so it protects it when it's not in use, so protects it from the elements. We have the slam-proof hinges, so you don't your door doesn't get caught in the wind and cause damage. Just quickly, this is our hot water heater. Water fill for the water tank. This is the back of your fridge and the back of your furnace. That's kind of basically the outside. Also to point out, we do have outside speakers that you can turn off or shut off. You can put the zone inside, you can put both zones on. But we'll cover that when we go inside. So next, let's go inside and I'll do a quick walk through there. Hi, Kevin. So we're inside the 260 RLS titanium, and I'll just kind of start off at the front door. Control panel for your main slide. Fluid levels all are located here. Lots of lighting, LED lighting throughout. With the titanium series, you do get those blackout blinds and the awning style windows. So in a rainstorm, you're not gonna have water come in. It does have the two recliners here, as you can see. Just moving across to the main slide. We have a nice couch here that does pull out into a bed as well. So very comfortable. Also some convenient cup holders on either side. So, again, lots of LED lighting throughout. Just gonna move across here. And this big dinette, it's nice and spacious. They improved this a couple years ago, made it nice and big, very comfortable. You could easily, sit 6 people here, and also this drops down into a bed as well. So, over to kind of the entertainment area. This TV does have a bracket that will swivel to where you need. Also, as I mentioned outside, the speakers, they are controlled from here. You have 2 zones, inside, outside. You can run both or one or the other. Lots of storage again throughout, solid wood construction. Lots of storage down here. We got our, I believe this is an 8 cubic foot fridge, nice and roomy. Again, automatically finds AC or propane, whatever's available. So all automatic. Coming over to the stove, we have the nice Suburban stove here with a glass top to kind of create a little more a counter space. Nice backsplash here with a knife block as well. So nice little feature there. Again, lots of storage. Nice solid rollers on these drawers and plywood construction. These may be things you already know, Kevin, but I'm just kind of just trying to give you a good overview of the trailer. Again, more storage under here. We have remote controls for our Maxx-Air fans in the ceiling. We have a high point microwave up top. More storage here. We have this nice big farm sink as well, with the upgraded faucet here with the titanium package. And this countertop is exclusive to the titanium. Before I leave this area, just point out more storage up top. Lots of LED lighting, very well lit throughout. But that's kind of the kitchen dining area. And so next, let's go into the bedroom and we'll show you some of the features in there. So one thing before I go into the bedroom, Kevin, I wanted to point out that we can isolate the bathroom. Also in the bedroom, we can close that off so you can have privacy in the bedroom. And then you also have another access to the bedroom as well. So basically, if you have company out here and you have people sleeping, you got a nice privacy door there. So I'm inside the bedroom here of this 260 RLS, and this is the wardrobe slide that I pointed out when I was outside. Lots of room, lots of hanger space for clothes, lots of drawer space. Again, solid wood construction throughout. Blackout blinds throughout. Lots of storage space on either side as well, and more hanger space. Lots of storage space up top. Pre-wired for solar panel if you need one, and plug and play basically. As you can see, it has the window up front, which is new to the titanium, and comes with this nice insulated cushion to keep the cold out. Individual lights up above for reading. Very convenient, and you can turn them off and on either side. So again, Maxx-Air fan, remote control for it. We have a skylight up top. Also, we have a TV in the bedroom, so nice little 12 volt here if you like to watch TV at night. I'm just going to lift up the bed here, show you the storage space underneath. There's all our bedding, it's all wrapped. Again, plywood construction throughout, good heavy duty cylinders. Kind of hard to push down. Drawer space on either side, right there, same on the other side. On either side of the beds, we have charging ports for USB and 120 volt. I think that kind of should give you a good overview of the bedroom. Next, let's go into the bathroom and kind of show you the features in there. So we're in the bathroom of this 260 RLS. Sorry, Kevin, it's very hot and humid here today, so I got a little sweat on. But nice big shower. I may have to take one after this. Nice skylight up top, so lots of room in here. I'm about 6 feet, so lots of headroom there. Nice vanity, again, solid wood construction, lots of storage space underneath. Ground fault plug-in, and a nice handy vanity mirror that can move multiple directions. Maxx-Air fans, controls are here. You can also control the water pump in here as well. So if you do have to use the facilities at night, you can run the pump from here. And one of the best features of our bathroom is a toilet. Wouldn't be a bathroom without it. So that's basically the bathroom. Let's go outside and we'll close out this video. So there you have it, Kevin, the 260 RLS titanium. This discontinued 270 RLS titanium. It's affected you and a couple other customers, and I do apologize. I hope maybe this 260 RLS titanium will work for you. I will send this video off to you, and maybe we can chat a little later today. So hopefully you get a good overview of the trailer, and hopefully it might work for you.